Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how long you'll live? What diseases you might face, or how to stay at the top of your health game? Today, these are pretty difficult questions to answer. But what if the key to unlocking these answers lies in an invisible force? One that's changing the face of medicine as we know it. It's not a new drug, a groundbreaking device, or even a radical surgery. It's something much more elusive: artificial intelligence. You heard it right. AI is set to revolutionize the future of healthcare. And here's how. So first off, one of the most powerful uses of AI in healthcare is in diagnosis. Think about it. AI can analyze hundreds, even thousands of patient data points in seconds, spotting patterns and making connections that a human might miss. And here's the best part. It doesn't get tired, distracted, or misinterpret a symptom. It gives doctors an edge in detecting diseases earlier and more accurately. Take, for example, the early signs of dementia. Simple walk through a park could reveal a lot. An AI system could observe an individual's gait, balance, and even the way they interact with their environment to spot subtle signs of dementia, which could be really hard to pick up during a standard office visit. Or consider the diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease. It's notoriously tricky, relying heavily on subjective tests and observations. But AI might change that by analyzing speech patterns, facial expressions, and even brain scans to spot the telltale signs. Next up, AI is a game changer when it comes to personalized medicine. You see, one-size-fits-all medicine just doesn't work for everyone. What works for one person might not work for another. It's like trying to fit a round peg in a square hole. But with AI, we're moving towards precision medicine. Imagine a world where your treatment plan is custom-made just for you, taking into account your unique genetics, lifestyle, medical history, and environment. AI can analyze your DNA, compare it to millions of other patient cases, and suggest which meds are most likely to work for you and which ones to steer clear of. It's like having your own personal health advisor. It's the coolest part. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening in places like cancer treatment, chronic illness management, and mental health care. But wait, there's more.
AI
is also changing the way we monitor our health. No longer will you need to rely solely on doctors for basic health readings. Thanks to smart devices and wearables like smartwatches, fitness trackers, and AI-powered apps, you can monitor your health every day. These handy tools can track your heart rate, sleep patterns, and even oxygen levels and alert you and your doctor if anything seems off. It's like having a personal health coach on your wrist. And for those who can't easily access a doctor, whether due to location or cost, this could be a real game changer, allowing for early intervention and more proactive health management. Finally, let's talk about AI in hospitals and healthcare systems. Behind the scenes, AI is making healthcare more efficient, effective, and accessible. In hospitals, AI optimizes scheduling, reduces wait times, and manages medical records, allowing staff to focus on what matters most: patient care. It also helps with complex tasks like robotic surgery, where AI-powered robotic arms assist surgeons, giving them superhuman precision and control. So from the operating room to your living room, AI is changing the way we think about healthcare. So is AI the future of healthcare? Well, the answer is already here. AI is already transforming healthcare as we know it, making it more precise, more efficient, and more accessible. It's not a question of if, but of when AI will continue to change the face of medicine. But here's the thing. While AI is a powerful tool, it's not a magic bullet. We need to approach it with careful consideration, ensuring that it's used ethically and responsibly.
Yes.
As we step into this brave new world of AI-driven healthcare, one thing is clear. The future is intelligent. It's personalized, and it's definitely here. So what do you think? Well, will AI shape the future of healthcare? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tech videos. Until next time, stay curious. Hey, thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. If you found this content valuable, please don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends and family.
Wow.
Your support means everything to us and helps us keep bringing you more great content in the future. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. It's totally free and a great way to stay up to date with our latest videos.